I, Srimati A. Jyoti, take pleasure in inviting prominent personalities, patrons, and patriots to this workshop. And may I request Meenakshi ma'am and her choir to present the invocation. May I request an agent of change in the attitude and actions of people, all age groups, to come into her ambit of influence, Srimati Chitra Mugundan, Principal of Kendra Vidyalaya Minambakam, the host school of one-day workshop, to present the welcome address. Madam.
Good morning and Suswagatam. I extend a very warm welcome to all the dignitaries and delegates who are a part of the virtual workshop of Janbhagidari events of G20, which are being conducted at the district level. This Vidyalaya has been chosen to showcase the educational involvement of G20 for the Kanchipuram district. Janbhagidari, as the very name suggests, is the involvement of people in the nation building program. G20, as we know, is an economic forum of countries across the globe. This group rightly recognizes the role of education as a catalyst in achieving sustainable and equitable growth. We are indeed blessed to have with us Miss Anita Paldurai Padmashri. Madam is the Indian basketball player who has captained the Indian women's national basketball team. She has played for 18 years and is the first and only Indian woman to have played 9 Asian championships. She holds a haul of over 30 medals. It is indeed a privilege, madam, to have you as our guest of honor. Welcome to you, ma'am. Shri S.G. Panishkar, Regional Executive Director, Airport Authority of India, is the chairman of our Vidyalaya Management Committee and has always been a pillar of support to our Vidyalaya. आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है सर. Welcome to our program. Mr. S. Radhakrishna, a musician of international repute, an exponent of the unique 10-string stereoscopic double violin. He is the co-founder of the world-reputed Ahimsa Group. Art makes our lives beautiful, and I'm sure Sir's presence will add depth and meaning to our deliberations. Hearty welcome to you, sir. Mrs. Jayashree Venkatraman, a chartered accountant by education and an educationist by profession, is the principal of AM Jain School. Madam's vision and commitment to the cause of education has always been noteworthy. I extend a very hearty welcome to you, ma'am, and to your 10 bright stars who have joined our workshop. A hearty welcome to you, ma'am. Jayashree, ma'am, a hearty welcome to you. Mrs. Mrs. N. Valarmati, Principal KV is one of the leading educationists of the KVs in Chennai region. Madam, with her dedication, hard work, and keen insight, has been an asset to all the KVs with which she has been associated. A hearty welcome to you, ma'am. Honorary Captain Shri M.C. Krishna has served the Indian Army for 35 long years. He served from Leh to Andaman Nicobar Islands, the length and breadth of the country. He served in the UN peacekeeping force at Congo. He has a vast experience in counter-insurgency and anti-terror operations at JNK and in the Northeast. A true soldier and patriot. Jai Hind and a very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I am also privileged to have all my teachers, my own dear teachers, my lovely students, our achievers from KV Minambakam to join this deliberation. I conclude with lines from the Isha Upanishad, Tatvam Pushan Apavranu, which means let us strive to lift the veil of ignorance and delusion and see truth and light. Again, I extend warm welcome to all of you. आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है. Welcome to you all.
Thank you, ma'am. With India taking presidency of G20 summit, the government has set its priority in building capacities. NEP 2020 intends to create pathways between higher education, vocational education, and in equipping children with range of future skills to set them on course of lifelong learning. Thus, G20 is committed to ensure betterment of learners and with respect to skilling, upskilling, and reskilling. With us is a personality whose specialities are tendering, negotiation, construction of various works. But we at Kendra Vidyalaya Minambakam know this gentleman officer as one who is passionate about student welfare and shoulders the Herculean responsibility of overseeing the activities of 26 airports across southern India, carrying out airport operations and other crucial services. Sir was instrumental in setting up new terminal buildings at Bhopal, Indore, Aurangabad airports as well. Apparently, Sir is a good luck charm for new beginnings with Kendra Vidyalaya Minambakam as well. May I invite and request Sri S.G. Panikar, Regional Executive Director, Airports Authority of India, Chennai region, to address the participants. Sir.
Good morning to everyone. I'm very happy to be part of this workshop being organized as part of Janbhagidari events of G20. It is a privilege and an honor to share the dais virtually with Padma Shri awardee Ms. Anita Poldurai, world-recognized double-neck violinist Sri Neyveli Radhakrishna, Honorable Captain M.C. Krishna, Advisor to Director DSC, eminent educationalist, Principal Jain School, Principal KV DGQA, and Principal teachers and students of KV Minambakam. As you are aware, India has assumed the presidency of G20 from 1st December 2022 for a year. It is re-emphasized that we are one of the most aspirational nations and also one of the youngest with the median age being 29 years. It would be in the fitness of things if our school-going children are given an opportunity to have a glimpses and understand the international scenario, its dynamics and India's position in it. It would facilitate and enable them to think critically, innovate, communicate, and be a change maker. To enable the engagement of the youth of the country with the G20, it is in a fruitful manner, and understanding the importance of assuming the G20 presidency. This workshop is being organized as part of the Janbhagidari events. The aim is to ensure participation of community in this important activity. This workshop focuses on educational direction of G20 under India's presidency. The new education policy 2020 wishes to ensure foundational literacy and numeracy, especially in the context of blended learning. National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy is also another thrust area in this regard. I am sure this workshop will go a long way in creating awareness and broadening the horizon for all who are part of it. I wish to congratulate the Principal KV Minambakam and her team for the wonderful initiative. I hereby declare the virtual workshop Janbhagidari events of G20 open. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your insights, your interest, and time. We appreciate your valuable presence and participation and declaring the workshop open. Thank you, sir.